4 major causes of gastric ulcer. A gastric ulcer developed on the interior of the stomach, the upper part of the gastrointestinal system. Some of the most common causes of ulcers include: 1. Repeat the use of some kinds of pain relievers. Certain types of prescription and over-the-counter pain relievers known as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, as well as aspirin, can cause gastric ulcers, especially when they are used for an extended period of time. Medications that are known to cause these adverse effects to include ibuprofen, such as Advil and Motrin, and naproxen sodium, such as Anaprox and Aleve. However, acetaminophen, such as Tylenol, is not attributed with peptic ulcers. 2. H. pylori bacteria. Helicobacter, H. pylori bacteria often live within the mucus layer that runs along and protects the delicate tissues that line the interior of the small intestine and the stomach. Typically, this bacteria does not cause any issues. In fact, most people who become infected with H. pylori bacteria never experience any symptoms. However, in some cases, an infection of H. pylori bacteria can lead to an inflammation of the interior lining of the stomach, which can result in the formation of a gastric ulcer. 3. Smoking. It's well known that smoking has numerous adverse effects on health and well-being. It increases the risk of lung cancer, high blood pressure, oral health problems, and various other conditions. However, many people are surprised to learn that smoking cigarettes can also increase the risk of developing a gastric ulcer. 4. High stress levels. It has been determined that people who are under high levels of physical and psychological stress are more at risk for developing what is known as stress ulcers. Medical professionals also refer to ulcers that are caused by stress as stress-related mucosal damage. In other words, stress ulcers are different than traditional peptic ulcers. Both types of ulcers irritate the lining of the stomach and the small intestines, causing the development of sores. These are the 4 major causes of gastric ulcer. Be aware that there are more causes of gastric ulcer, but these 4 will remain the main causes. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing.